Hey YouTube, how's it going? So in this video, I'm here to talk to you about how you can use LinkedIn to find a good job and give you some tips on what will work good for you and give you more exposure and be more visible on LinkedIn. So first, I want to start off with your resume. With your resume, you want to make sure that you're using important keywords that represent the type of job that you want. Recruiters use applicant keyword software to scan resumes for certain keywords to find out who's going to be the most relevant candidate for that job. So do searches for keywords that are commonly used along with your profession. If you're into carpentry, look up synonyms and things that are synonymous with carpentry. If you're computer engineering, same thing. If you are into marketing and advertising, then you're going to want to look into things that are related to marketing, advertising campaigns, promotions, etc., etc. And then another thing, you definitely should make sure that your LinkedIn profile is set up so you can go to the My Profile part where it shows a little picture in the top right of your LinkedIn account, and go to settings and privacy and go to job seeking preferences and change it to yes, I'm open to new opportunities. That's going to tell the recruiters and people that are looking to hire candidates or new employees that you are open to new opportunities, you're free, you're available. And that is just one of the settings that a lot of people overlook when it comes to just letting them know that you're actively looking for a job. Another tip is stay active on LinkedIn by continuously making new connections. Networking is very important with people that you know personally and people that you just might have met online, and you share similar interests, or you share you share like the same interest in a company that you want to work for, and maybe they already work for them, maybe they know somebody that works for them. But a lot of times networking can really surprise you, and you could find something that you weren't really expecting initially. The amount of people that you next is the amount of people that you have connections with actually influences your score as a candidate, which affects your ranking in the search. So, generally, according to LinkedIn, you want to shoot for a score above 70. So that deals with keywords, that deals with who your connections are, how relevant those connections are to you. And the amount of connections that you have is going to really amplify your exposure out there. And with that being said, people like to hire people that are friends with another person because they share common ground. You can get a reference from somebody. Someone could say, hey, I know this person. It can really help you out a lot there. Another one is using LinkedIn groups to connect with people that are involved with the companies that you are interested in working for. And many times people actively be sharing new job opportunities within those groups so they can get a referral bonus. And so with that being said, it's a win-win situation. They are looking to, hey, bring somebody in. It makes them look good. You get like a bump towards working one step closer towards working towards the company that you are trying to get hired for, and they get a bonus, and they're gonna definitely, that motivates them to want to like help you and make things happen. Another one is be present in the news feeds, reading posts, and someone talking about active opportunities. You can go through those active opportunities and respond to them. And sometimes you never know what's going to pop up. Just the other day, I had a friend that just said, hey, we're hiring Scottsdale, Arizona. Do you want to work for this company? Blah, blah, blah. And newsfeed can bring you a lot of things that most people might not expect, might not happen all the time, but you're definitely going to get extra exposure through that. So just keep up with your newsfeed, stay active, keep in touch with your friends, whether you know them just through online or if you know them just through like personally. So that's very important. Keep up to date, just like Facebook. Just keep up to date with your news feed. See what people are up to. If they're doing something interesting, ask them a question. Say, hey, how are you? Blah blah blah. And some people are actively willing to help you find a job because, like I said earlier, they're going to get a referral bonus for it. And a lot of companies are doing this because they are trying to expand, especially now after COVID. A lot of people are looking for jobs. Some people are not looking for jobs. And you just need to strike when the iron's hot, get in there when you can, and, beat the competition. If you're first for the interview, you have a better chance than the person that's going after you. Also, don't forget to use hashtags like hashtag hiring, hashtag job search, hashtag looking for jobs. These things will show up in search engines whenever they call it a spider crawling, searching for keywords that are relevant for what you're looking for. So if you even use hashtags like engineering or software programmer, whatever your niche is, whatever your specialty is, whatever you're good at, those are the hashtags that you want to be using so that you find the most relevant job. More than anything, and last but not least, just focus on being discoverable. And a lot of these tips that I've shared with you will help you to be more discoverable. A lot more people will know you. You'll have a bigger network. You'll have a lot more to work with. And with that being said, I mean,